This evening in the Business Review, we feature an organization that has been helping families. Here's Hal Shane Burke.
Sometimes, the most impactful businesses don't begin in boardrooms. They begin from moments of struggle, reflection, and vision. For Anita Anderson, the founder and CEO of Anderson Child Management and Company, the idea was born from personal experience and a clear understanding of what families truly need.
Our company is mainly stemmed from our family support receipt book. This book is made to assist parents or family, I should say. It is made to assist families who are paying and receiving child support, alimony support, and parental support.
At the heart of the company is a simple but powerful tool, the Family Support Receipt Book. Ms. Anderson says she invested every dollar she had, spending over $150,000 to bring the receipt book to life. More than just pages and carbon copies, the book helps parents and families carefully track child support and child maintenance.
The purpose of the book is to assist families or parents who are paying and receiving child support, child maintenance, financial obligation, and for wife or husband who are paying alimony support, and it's also for persons who are paying parental support. So it keeps all your record, and if you should go back to court for whatever reason, the books basically speak for you.
Another major pillar of the company is its shadow teacher program.
Because of the shadows that we are sending in, the shadow assistant teacher we are sending in, we're seeing growth in children. We're seeing changes in children that autism, children that could not maybe, write and could not even speak properly, don't know how to manage what they are going through. And with us training these shadows and sending them in the school, we have seen major progress.
The journey hasn't been without criticism. Early on, many doubted the company's future.
To be honest, no. We got so much bash. Person said, this is not going anywhere because our parenting seminar is free. And I pumped a lot of my personal money into that, not gaining anything from the company, any at all. But because I have a passion for it, and it's because of a vision, I decided that God gave me this and I am running with it.
Plans are already in motion to expand across parishes and grow its workforce to over 100 employees.
The next 2 years, I'm looking at to offer more employment into different parishes, even international as well. And for us we are looking at owning our own special needs school as well.
For the Business Review, I'm Hal Shane Burke.